Once again, guys, welcome to my new video. Today we will be learning something new. Thank you so much. Bonjour les amis, je suis Dux. Bienvenue à Easy 22. Hi friends, I'm Dux. Welcome again to my new video, Easy 22. Thank you so much. Hey, today we will learn how to count from 0 to 20 in French. Don't worry, that will be very easy. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les nombres de 0 à 20 en français. Merci. Thanks. Alors, let's go together. We have 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Très bien. Well done, guys. That was very good. Then let's move ahead from 11 to 20. Let's go from 11 to 20. Allons de 11 à 20. Merci. Then 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16. This set. Here everything becomes easy. This set, literally it is 10, 7. This with 10, 8, 18. This 9, 10, 9, 19. 20. 20 is a confusing word because it means something else. And okay, we know 20. 20. Très bien. Well done for us. Then guys, let's do a little practice. We'll be recognizing the word from French to English. I will be pronouncing the French meaning of the noun of the numbers, sorry, and you will be recognizing them in English. So let's go there. First one, 5. How much? 5. Well done. 4. 4. Good. 19. 19. 10. 10. 12. 12. You pronounce it? 15. 15. Find it? 3. 3. 8. 8. 16. 16. Good. You find it. 13. 13. Good. 20. 20. 9. 9. Good. 2. 2. Good. 1. 1. Good. 7. 7. 7. Well done, guys. 17, 17. 11, 11. Find it out. 14, 14, 14. Well done, guys. And then let's summarize them as from 0 to 20. We go with the 0 first. A 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Don't confuse the P with me not reading. 8, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20. Well done, we did well.